Hello students, this is page number 9 from English Reader. In the beginning, you have already done this exercise. It is comparison of adjectives. Adjectives are part of syllabus in grammar portion also. So I am trying to link this exercise with adjectives exercise. In adjectives, you have done different types of adjectives. Here we have degrees of adjectives: positive, comparative, superlative. In positive we talk about 1, in comparative we are talking about 2, in superlative we are talking about the best or the worst case. Okay, let us see. This is, for example, this is 1. Now these two things, this is 2. Now look at this. This is 1 and this is 2. Okay, bad, worse, much, more, good, better, little, less. We are talking about these two things. We are doing comparison in this and in this. When we will have third person more than 2, it will get changed. See, it is changed. This is third. This is third degree. It means this is not between 2. This is between more than 2. It can be 3, it can be 4, it can be infinite. Okay. The degree is changed. It is worst, most, best, least. So this is superlative. Now in Brevia you have degrees of comparison. Look at this bag. It is dollars bag. This is one bag. Okay. Now we have second. Look at this. Here we have one bag. This is second bag. When we will compare size of these two, this is bigger. This is bigger. When we will compare size of these 3 bags, 1, 2, 3, this is biggest. Okay. Look at this. This is a bag, one bag. Okay. Now we have 2. Let us say we are comparing size in decreasing order. This is biggest and this is smaller. When we compare these two, this is smaller. When we compare 3, 1, 2, 3, this is smallest. This is biggest, this is smallest. Means we are talking about these 3 bags, more than 2. When we talk about 2, we will have comparison. It is comparative. It is comparative. When we include third, it is superlative. Superlative means the best or the worst. Look at this. When we say the bag Z is the biggest of all, we are comparing more than 2 bags. Okay, we are comparing more than 2 bags. We are talking about more than 2 bags. When we are talking about 2, it is comparative. When we are talking about more than 2, means third or fourth or infinite, this is superlative. So this is degrees of comparison. These are the degrees in adjectives. Again, I am taking you to a reader book. In reader book on page number 10, this is page number 10 and this is an exercise which you had done before. Okay, you had filled this table, part B, complete this table. You had filled this. Similarly, we have an exercise in Bravia. We need to fill this table. Okay. Great. I will write greater. Greatest. Small. Smaller. Smallest. High. Higher. Highest. Sweeter. Sorry. Sweeter. Sweetest. Thicker. Thickest. Weaker. Weakest. Kind. Kinder. Kindest. Slower. Slowest. Harder. Hardest. Dearer. Dearest. So this is an exercise, a simple exercise where we are adding ER and EST. In these words, in all these words, I have added ER and EST. So this is on page number 113. The adjectives, how to form degree of comparison. This is formation of degree of comparison. Worksheet 41.